Welcome, children. Today's worksheet number 52, Atoms and Molecules. In this worksheet, we will discuss about Dalton's atomic theory. Jigyasa Didi, if the size of an atom is so small and insignificant that we can't see them, then why should we think and care about them? Gyan asked from Jigyasa Didi, if the atoms or if the size of the atom is so small that we can't see them, then why should we think about them or why should we care about them? Jigyasa Didi replied, Gyan, it is because of everything around us is made up of atom. So children, everything around us or every matter is made up of tiny particles, and these tiny particles are called atoms. We may not be able to see them, but they are there and constantly affecting whatever we do. There are there was a scientist named John Dalton who provided the basic theory about the nature of matter. Who gave the basic theory about the nature of matter? John Dalton. His theory was based on laws of chemical combination. According to Dalton's atomic theory, all matter, whether an element, a compound, or a mixture, is composed of small particles, and these particles are called atoms. Now we will discuss Dalton's atomic theory's point. First point was given by Dalton: all matter, whether it is solid, liquid, or gas, is made up of very tiny particles, and these particles called atoms. Atoms are the basic unit of matter that participate in a chemical reaction. So these particles or atom take part in a chemical reaction. Atoms are indivisible particles. They can't further be divided, which can't be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. This is the law of mass conservation. Atom of a given element or compound are identical in size, mass, and chemical properties. Means the atoms of a given element or a compound are similar in size, mass, and they have same chemical properties. Atoms of different elements have different masses and different chemical properties. Atoms combined in fixed ratio of small whole numbers to form compounds. When compound is formed, atoms combined chemically in fixed ratio of small whole numbers. The relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. Compound में क्या होते हैं? Number of elements or relative numbers and kinds of atoms are constant. Now we will discuss question answer. Your first question is fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks with correct word. All matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. Second, atoms are the basic unit of matter that participate in chemical reaction. So you have to write chemical. Third, Dalton's atomic theory was based on laws of chemical combination. So you have to write here chemical combination. Fourth or D, in a chemical reaction, atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. So you have to write created or nor be destroyed. Explain any three postulates of Dalton's atomic theory with example. You have to given the Dalton's atomic theory points. You have to explain three postulates or 3 points with example. In first, all matter, solid, liquid, gas is made up of very tiny particles are called atoms. You have to give the examples of metal like hydrogen. You can write hydrogen is an atom, symbol is H. Oxygen is an atom, symbol is O. Or you can give any other example of atoms. Atoms are indivisible particles which can't be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction, means they follow the law of conservation of mass. And atoms are indivisible, means smallest unit or smallest particle of the matter. Atoms of a given element or compound are identical in size, mass and chemical properties. You can give the example of any atom like atom of oxygen. All atom of oxygens are identical in size. They have similar mass and same chemical properties. So you can write 3 points. Thanks for watching.